with suspected U.S. airstrikes overnight have left at least 7 people dead.
Is the world on the brink of a wider conflict? In this video, we break down the rising tensions between Houthi forces and the United States, a situation that's sending shockwaves far beyond Yemen's borders. As attacks escalate and stakes intensify, we'll explore the real motivations behind the Houthi strategy, the US response, and what this dangerous power play could mean for global security and military balance. Don't miss this deep dive into a conflict that's shaping the future of international relations. The world is watching, and so should you. Background on Houthi forces. The Houthi movement, originating from Yemen's northern Sada province, began in the 1990s as a response to perceived marginalization and cultural suppression. Rooted in Zaydi Islam, their motivations are both ideological and political, seeking greater autonomy and representation within Yemen. The group's rise to prominence was marked by the 2011 Arab Spring, which provided an opportunity to challenge the Yemeni government. Over the years, the Houthis have developed significant military capabilities, including missile technology, and forged alliances with regional powers like Iran. Understanding their origins and motivations is crucial to grasping the complexities of ongoing regional conflicts. Recent provocations. In recent months, Houthi forces have taken several provocative actions that directly challenge U.S. interests, including missile strikes on commercial shipping in the Red Sea and drone attacks targeting U.S. military bases in the region. These incidents are strategically significant, as they not only threaten maritime security, but also disrupt vital trade routes, raising concerns among U.S. allies. In response, the U.S. has increased military presence in the area and conducted joint exercises with regional partners to deter further aggression. The escalating tensions highlight the Houthis' growing boldness and the urgent need for a coordinated international response to maintain stability in the region. U.S. military response. In response to Houthi provocations, the U.S. has several military options at its disposal, ranging from increased naval patrols in the Red Sea to targeted airstrikes against Houthi missile sites. These actions could serve as a deterrent, but also risk further escalating tensions in an already volatile region. The implications of such military responses could destabilize relationships with regional allies and provoke retaliatory actions from the Houthis or their Iranian backers. Engaging militarily carries inherent risks, including the potential for broader conflict, making it crucial for U.S. policymakers to weigh the consequences carefully before taking decisive action. International reactions. The Houthi situation has drawn varied responses from key regional players. Saudi Arabia, directly threatened by Houthi actions, has ramped up military efforts to counter their influence, while Iran continues to support the Houthis, viewing them as a strategic ally against Saudi interests. International organizations like the UN are actively mediating the conflict, pushing for ceasefires and negotiations to alleviate humanitarian crises. Global powers are closely monitoring the U.S. response, with some expressing concern over potential escalation. The effectiveness of U.S. actions could significantly impact international relations, influencing alliances and shaping the geopolitical landscape in the Middle East for years to come. Consequences of inaction. If the U.S. chooses not to respond to Houthi provocations, it risks undermining its credibility and deterrence in the region. A lack of action could embolden Houthi forces and their allies, leading to increased aggression and further destabilization of the already fragile Middle East. This inaction may also send a message to other adversaries, potentially inviting challenges to U.S. interests elsewhere. Moreover, the broader implications for U.S. foreign policy could be significant, as allies may question America's commitment to regional security, ultimately impacting global security dynamics and the effectiveness of international coalitions aimed at addressing emerging threats. In summary, we've explored the escalating tensions between Houthi forces and the U.S., highlighting their origins, recent provocations, and the potential military responses. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for grasping the broader implications for global security and U.S. foreign policy. As the situation evolves, staying informed is more important than ever. If you found this discussion insightful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who are interested in international relations. Your engagement helps us bring you more content on these critical issues shaping our world today. Thank you for watching.